Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. In previous video, we saw the syntax of method and there it is. Then we saw how we can create example. Like whatever we saw in the syntax, we just tried to replicate the same in Eclipse. Okay, here's the Eclipse. Let's continue with the same example. So we have this person class and we got three variables ID, name and age. Okay, let's create one method. The same we created on int public int. It says get age. There it goes and curly braces. Then things are completed. And just for now, to make it more obvious, I'm making it void because we don't know yet what is the return type. So we will see that later. But for now, let's get a sim way. And again, to make it in sync, let's have this thing. Or we can have like multiple examples for this. We can have one more example which says, I don't want to return anything, just void is enough. So public void age, int, and this is actually a data type. We will see that later, what is data type in Java and how many types of data types present in Java. For now, let's implement this method, and as per syntax it says code goes here. So for now, we will write one liner code, sys out, and here I'll say person age is then plus, and I'll use the same variable which I have used earlier on line 7. This age I'm using here. So person's age is 7. Okay, it's done. Now I'll go back to the tester file, person tester. There we will already present like printing things. Let's call the method. So how to call the method? Let's go back to paint and let's see this syntax for the method. So how it works, you have to use your class object reference, then dot operator, then method name. That's it. Okay, so this is the way to access any method outside of the class. So you have to get an object, and of course semicolon is a mandatory. So let's suppose our object is this person reference. So it goes like this was syntax, by the way. If I have to see same thing in with example, so example goes like this: person reference, then dot operator, and then method name again, semicolon. Yep, that's it, and it will access that method present in a different file, get age. Okay, so person reference dot get age and done. When we call this line 10, we'll try to access that age method present in person file. This is, and it will print person's age is whatever the value of this variable is. Right now it's 25, so this should print person's age is 25. Okay, and plus it will also print the name. So right now just saying name, we don't know what is that, so it's better make it more readable. I'll say person's name is. Okay, and let's run this. Right click on any empty space, run as an application. There we go, person's age is 25. So that's how you can access method from the different file. So in this video we saw how to create method and how to access it in different file. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.